In today's video, I will walk you through how to make objects float in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want to follow along, you can open CapCut on your PC by visiting the official CapCut website or launching the desktop app, where all the editing tools are available inside a single workspace designed for creating motion effects, animations, and video edits. Creating a floating object effect is a creative way to make images or elements look like they are gently levitating in space, adding a more dynamic and eye-catching feel to your videos. To begin, select the image or object you want to animate and place it on your timeline so it becomes part of your project. Once it is on the timeline, click on the clip to make sure it is selected, then move to the basic editing panel where you can access different adjustment options for that element. From there, open the animation section to view the available motion presets. Inside the animation menu, choose Slide Up, which adds an upward movement to your object and helps create the first part of the floating illusion. This upward motion acts as the base of the effect and sets the direction in which the object will move, making it feel like it is lifting off the screen. After applying the Slide Up animation, move over to the Effects section of CapCut, where you will find a variety of visual effects that can enhance motion and add more realism to your clip. Scroll through the effects until you locate Play Pendulum, which is the key effect for creating a natural floating behavior. Once you find it, drag and apply it directly onto your clip in the timeline. After applying it, the object will begin to show a gentle swinging motion that helps simulate how something would naturally float or sway in midair. To refine the look, you can adjust settings like strength and twist, depending on the style you want. Lower values create a soft and subtle floating motion, while higher values make the movement more noticeable and dramatic. Taking time to fine-tune these settings helps you achieve a more realistic or stylized result, depending on your project. You can preview your clip at any moment to check how the motion looks and continue adjusting until everything feels smooth and visually balanced. This method works especially well with isolated objects, stickers, or images placed over simple backgrounds, where the floating effect can stand out clearly. And that is how to make objects float in CapCut PC, using animation and effects to create smooth and visually engaging motion.